I'm Sam. This course is designed to give you a brief overview of the microwave concept.
What is microwave? Are we talking about something to do with microwave ovens? Well, not quite. Microwave is a part of the electromagnetic waves that carry signals. This is visible light, and this is microwave. Wavelengths measure 1 millimeter to 1 meter long, yet they are invisible. Microwave is a kind of radio wave. ITU defines the microwave frequencies at 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. However, microwave transmission only uses the 4 gigahertz to 86 gigahertz range, a rather small portion of the spectrum. In optical fiber communications, light serves as the carrier of signals. Similarly, microwave communication uses microwaves to carry the signals over radio transmission channels.
That's all for today. Thank you.